and further allowing the dead internet theory to expand itself into economy, essentially having thousands of software applications, SaaS services, not created by people and optimized for SEO or whatever. Hey guys, this is a quick one. I have been exploring a concept called software factories that came online a few months ago. So I want to show you something. I have a website here, a web application that looks like this. This is the landing page. There is a login, and here is the dashboard. Now, all of this was created practically in one go, and all of it is working. There is the authentication here, the billing with the different plans, the Pro plan and the Max plan. And each plan, the application is pretty simple. It is a calendar that you only get a number, a low amount of entries, and then you are required to pay. And you can also chat with your calendar. This is the calendar, everything is working here, and if you will notice that it looks good, it looks okay. Now, obviously it's not solving any problems, but it looks okay. You can see here, it is the first that is highlighted because it is the first today. There are different weeks, there are animations, you can change the entries of what you're doing, the colors, the time, the date, and so on. But what is fascinating about this is that it was created in one go. And it was created in one go by something I'm calling installer skills. So the first skill that I did is the set project structure. It is a big skill that is setting everything, and it is standardized in a way that it is kind of going to be the same every time. Then I have this sub skill that allows me to set per project template. Essentially use this skill for all kinds of different projects. And then I have a skill for the landing page, which you can see in action here. It is not good, but it is not bad either. So a calendar, and keep in mind I practically did not touch up on anything. I run the skill and it generates what it generates. It is a simple marketing copy here with like pricing as well and everything. Sign in the start for free button. It looks okay. It looks okay. Then the set dashboard and set up backend skills are setting the functionality of the application. As you can see here, it has the calendar and the AI chat features, and also the settings and the billing, which looks really good. I think it looks good. All of this, keep in mind, all of this is a one shot of the entire application. I did not touch up on anything. It is all working out of the box. And remember, the thing that I'm talking about here is software factories. Imagine if this is all working out the box, refining it in a way that it can generate different applications is going to work. And essentially you can have a software factory, and essentially you can people can start generating those different kinds of software that they are not checking, and further allowing the dead internet theory to expand itself into economy, essentially having thousands of software applications, SaaS services, not created by people and optimized for SEO or whatever, and then someone who is not educated would land on one of those and it would look okay and they will pay. And this is just a series of thoughts I don't want to go into. But back to the demo, or not the demo, the showcase. It is working. What do I have today, June 1st? On July 1st you have 2 events. Everything is working, man. This is insane. This is insane. This is a one-shot application that is looking okay and it's working. I don't even know if it also has mobile view. Man, it also has mobile view. And it's looking good. It's looking great. This is actually insane. So yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to show you this. If you want to give it a go, I can give you the skills that I used, They are here on my website. I will put it in the description. I'm really interested in how this goes for you if you try it, so please let me know. And yeah, software factories, man. One-shot applications that are working with Stripe. And let me showcase the Stripe workflow, because that works as well. And this can go on over and over again, generating me 10, 20, 30, 50 SaaS services without me doing anything. And then I'm pretty sure I can make a cron job or something so that it can flood the internet with information about this. So yeah, pretty scary stuff if you think about it. Thank you for watching. All the contents for this are going to be in the description below. The app itself I'll deploy it so you can try it, and the skills. Have a good one. Bye.